After making a multiple selection with the Ctrl key pressed and clicking anywhere near a snap point, you can move the selected object's grip position. If we select multiple drawing entities, some of which may be overlapping, with the Ctrl and Space key combination, you can switch the selection to the next object. The toolbar shows the number of overlapping objects that are selected, and by using the arrow buttons you can switch the selection through the various overlapping objects. The Ctrl and Z key combination activates the classic undo feature, which restores the previous overall situation. Again, with the Ctrl plus Y key combination, restores the last changes made. These options can also be activated through the appropriate buttons here on the toolbar.